Hello everyone, today I'm here to share 3 super simple tips on shopping on a budget. So the first tip is to work out your weekly budget. So if you get a student loan, you need to deduct things like your rent and other expenses to work out how much money you've got a week to spend on food. Knowing this in advance is going to really help you when you're shopping to make sure that you're picking up items that are essentials and you're not going to waste your money on things that you can't afford. Tip number 2 is to make a weekly meal plan. So by planning your meals in advance, you can make sure that you're picking up food that you're actually going to use, and it saves you wasting money on items that end up sitting in your cupboards for months and don't get eaten. And it also makes sure that you're eating a nice varied diet. Tip number 3 is to make sure you're eating your fruit and veg. Fresh fruit and veg can be quite expensive, so do consider the alternatives like frozen and tinned, because these are a lot cheaper but still give you all the good nutrients, and they're also a lot longer lasting, because I find if I'm buying fresh stuff and I'm only cooking for myself, I can't usually get through it all, so consider getting a tinned or frozen alternative. I'm now also going to quickly show you one of my favourite recipes to make that is not only really quick and simple but also really nutritious. So for this recipe you'll need some Mediterranean chicken seasoning, some diced chicken breast, 1 pepper, half an onion, 150 grams of baby plum tomatoes and some rice to serve with it. So you just want to prep all of your veg and chop it up nice and thick and chuck it in the bag with your chicken and seasoning, then put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 200 degrees, and then once it's ready, serve it with rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and we will see you very soon with more student made content.